I want to quickly look at my pixel. If I just show you yesterday. Conversion was 0.4. But yeah, so we got a decent amount of orders yesterday, but even here it's wrong. We got 31.
Okay.
Oh yeah, up here. But when I'm checking my pixel, I'm just looking at today's results, like this is showing me nothing really. And the other day I was getting the same thing. I had no add to cart showing at all on Facebook, but I had like 300 add to carts. Which was crazy. So I was wanting to quickly take a look at the pixel to see if it's set up right, so then I could possibly set up Surge and then how to use it so that I can actually see everything that comes in.
Let's do it.
Because literally, today was a decent day, very profitable. And a few of our sales have come from the app as well, and the app doesn't get tracked on Facebook.
Right.
So it wasn't a bad day. Like it looks normal when I look at everything, but for some reason nothing's tracking at like it's worse than obviously after iOS 14 it was bad, but it's
man, tracking's terrible these days.
It's awful.
Yeah. Let's let's see. Just go ahead and click on your purchases. I mean, just from just looking at the data overall, I mean it looks fine right now, but let's see, view details. And let's just check. I mean, that's all fine. Meeting best practices, go to data freshness.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. See, this is the thing. It's not in real time. You see that Surge is going to be in that green bar. That's what you need. Yeah. Surge is going to put you in the green. It's going to move that arrow over for you.
Okay. And how do we do that with
Surge? Yep. It's going to put you back in the green. You're going to have data coming in real time and they'll all get sorted out. See how it says delay are harder to attribute your ad events sent with a delay are harder to attribute your ad performance. It may impact how your ads get delivered. So Surge is going to put it up in real time, and then you're going to be able to basically see your data come in, and then you can optimize a little bit faster that way.
Okay. Sweet.
It doesn't mean your results aren't going to be tracked. It just means they're going to show up like multiple days later, and that's just too late for like trying to scale.
It's too late. Yeah, when I'm trying to, because at the moment the product I'm running, I'm actually going to stop running it soon. So by the time I turn those ads off, it's just too late.
Yeah. See, that's a huge issue. So those will be good. So we'll just go to Surge real fast. Have you set it up?
No, not yet.
Okay. Yeah, so you'll go here, you'll set it up by registering if you haven't registered.
Yeah.
It's going to be based off of page views. Just start out on the Bolt Pro plan. Yeah. And then what you're gonna do is hit create business.
Yeah.
You're just gonna toggle it. Yeah. And then you click on, that's gonna bring you in here. And then you can connect. You're just gonna integrate your ad account.
Pretty smooth.
Yep, full year of development and still a lot of stuff is coming on the way.
Good. Whatever makes it easier. Yeah.
All right, that step's done. Now just go back to your account in the home section. Yep, and then you'll just click on that. And now you'll click connect again in here. Yeah, just hit connect, and then now we'll integrate when you select your ad account. Just select that ad account right there.
This one.
Yep. Over to the right, the button.
Oh yeah, sorry.
And then choose your account. All right, that's done. And then click on tracking.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna click on, it's inactive right now. Just hit on, yep, step one. And you're gonna copy that first line there and then go to your Shopify theme liquid. Yep, and then go to theme liquid.
Yeah.
And yeah, and you'll scroll down to the bottom, and then you're just gonna scroll up a little bit. All right, right there above that body line, you're gonna paste it right above that body right there. It says slash body right next to HTML. It's the very last one there.
Oh yeah, this one. Oh yeah.
Yep, right above it, one above.
One
Line.
okay,
Yep,
okay.
there you go. Line in front. Paste. Boom, it's in. And then scroll left. Scroll left. And then hit save.
Yeah.
And then that's done. And now go back to that code, scroll down, copy that next piece of code and drop that in your checkout script. So you'll go to the settings and then go to your checkout page or whatever it's called. Yeah, click on web, yep, settings, and then checkout. And I just got the pricing back. Essentially 200,000 page views is going to make sure that you'll have as many page views as you need. That's actually about 20,000 extra based off our math.
Yeah.
All right, scroll down here. You're going to paste this at the order status page.
Where is it?
Yep.
Oh, here, yeah.
Yeah.
Take this out or?
What is that?
I have no idea.
Is that needed or no?
I don't think so. No,
right.
no.
Paste it.
That's in the order confirmation. Yeah.
Yep, and then scroll up, and then let's see here, that post-purchase page. It looks like you have a post-purchase page.
Yeah.
All right, scroll down. Let's see. Is the post-purchase page the same as the order status?
Well, what happens is they get about 10 minutes after, and it comes through as another order.
So it's a different page?
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, paste it there. Yeah. All right, cool. And then hit save. And then
That's over here.
yeah, and then scroll up. It should be green now. Let's see if it is. Refresh. Boom, it's green, active.
Okay.
All right, now go to your performance dashboard. It's the little performance thing below.
Okay.
The UI just updated that. Home button's down there. I did the same thing.
This one. I love that.
And then, all right, here you are.
This one here, yeah?
Yeah, you're in there. And then let's go ahead and click on the Generate Facebook UTM button. And now you're going to place these ads in the actual, you have existing posts or are you using dynamic?
Some existing. Let me check quickly.
I'm just going to place those scripts in there and then.
Got any existing? Actually, yeah, I do in this campaign here. I think Yeah, so this was the original. All of these will be existing posts to this one.
Okay. So we're just going to edit all the ads and just paste the parameters in there. Hit the view setup real fast. I want to see if you have any parameters first.
Where? Oh,
yeah, just hit the view setup toggle next to the columns. It's right under the word ads. It's in blue. It says view setup. It has a little toggle button right below it. It's on the right.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Scroll to the left. All right. Nothing. Go the other way. Yeah, you're good. All right. So let's just edit these. And then we're going to get your tracking all in order here. You're going to scroll all the way down. And then you're going to paste the parameters right there. Yeah. But go to the tracking real fast so we can copy them. So since these are existing, we'll just copy those bottom ones. Yeah, right there.
Okay, so this one here.
Yeah.
And they go in everything moving forward that's going to be existing.
Everything.
And then if I set up something brand new,
you'll use that other one, but you'll paste the link in there.
Okay. So this is cool, yeah?
Yep, all good to go on that. Is that every single one of your ads? Yeah, you just published that. That's good.
That's all of them in this campaign, yeah.
Nice.
That's a bit slow.
No worries.
So
go ahead.
So if I'm doing a new ad,
you'll paste the URL right there.
Just here?
Yeah. So like whatever link you're going to send them to.
Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Even if I'm doing existing posts, so if I do one post and then I start copying it into other ad sets.
Well, if you make an existing post, you just use the ones at the bottom.
Yeah.
It's just personal preference, honestly. But for existing posts, if you turn them all into existing posts, just place the UTMs at the bottom. Yeah. If you're going to like use dynamic ads or just create new ads, you can use that one above. But it's both the same script. The only difference is one includes the link and one doesn't.
Okay. But what, for example, if I go to this, this is this one here. I have different photos in there. So if I am gonna run an ad to this ad here, but I've got multiple pictures. Okay, this one hasn't got it. Then what link do I use? Because I send them to different.
Definitely put it at the bottom. Yeah, it's gotta go at the bottom. So hit edit.
The code at the bottom.
Yeah, because that's gonna append it to all of those.
Okay.
So is this one active?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, certainly. So like, yep. So paste this at the bottom, and then we could even test it just to see if those are different products and stuff. Yeah, go right there. There you go. Yeah, like that.
Cool. So, because this actual this one that does quite well. So I know this is getting the sales, but it's just not tracking anything. Yesterday, anyway. Cool.
Yeah, your tracking frequency is like delayed by a few days. That's why.
So when Surge starts tracking these sales, does it read it back to Facebook? Like, will Facebook be able to, or do I just need to know how to optimize it using that information?
Yeah, just optimize based off so it's going to come into Surge first. Basically, all the purchases will pull into Surge first as they come in. It happens in real time. If you get a sale on your site, it'll tell you immediately if it came from a Facebook ad in Search. Now, Facebook won't tell you because immediately every time it could take up to a few days, but Facebook's then going to eventually report on that data. And then you're going to see like a big, like flow of purchases all of a sudden pop into your account from Facebook's side because it finally arrived into your account.
Yeah.
But you've already made the optimizations you needed based off of the data you got from Surge.
The data that I got back quicker,
Yeah. Now we can scale it faster instead of having to wait.
Yeah, exactly. So will they start coming up here in this area?
Hit refresh in here. Or did you already do that?
I think I did. Let me try again.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
And then the surge columns right there, the surge purchases, you see that column?
Oh yeah.
That right there is where the tracking will happen. So like, obviously the search hasn't tracked 21 purchases. That's from Facebook. That's just pulling in your data over there. But moving forward from like this, like literally like the moment those are live from this second forward, if like purchases are coming through, you can start to see that data.
Straight away. Okay, cool. Yeah, that makes sense.
And then all the search rows will start to show up. I can show you on my end what it starts to look like.
Now go ahead. You're gonna show your screen. Yeah.
Yeah. So like you can see, like, for instance, let's just do, where's the random date? You can check these things daily. Like for instance, like this one got one pulled in. It'll actually show you, and then you'll have the return and ad spend and values.
Yeah. Okay.
And you can go based off every day as purchases come through.
Yeah.
This one's tracking a little bit higher. And then like once you actually have data, it'll pull in over different periods.
Yeah.
Facebook's reporting 11, Surge is reporting 5. But the ROAS is still higher because like the problem with this account was that it's not that they weren't tracking every purchase. It's just that Facebook wasn't sending us the conversion values, which is annoying.
Oh yeah. That's annoying.
So
how comes Facebook's tracking more sales here than Surge on this one?
it's from the delayed attribution plus the view through. Surge doesn't track views.
Okay.
So like if they viewed this ad, like let's say, if you send out an email blast and a shit ton of people see it and like purchase from that email, and then they go to Facebook or Instagram, and then all of a sudden all your retargeting ads show up, Facebook can basically take credit for that. And that's an issue.
Oh, they take credit of post. Okay.
Yeah. So it seems like a post-purchase because they viewed it and made the buy, but technically they bought from your email list, but they just got served an ad. But because you have the view conversion set up, that counts.
Okay.
But then, like, for instance, there's also cases, this is why Facebook's starting to be messed up with their tracking, because, for example, let's try to find a date where Facebook sends like a ton of data or something. Let's see. There's going to be days where you have like a big spike in purchases because all that data will flow through from Apple. Like, for instance, there's like 4 purchases here, only 1 tracked by Surge. Literally 0 conversion value tracked by Facebook. See, that's a huge issue for us. That's why we were like pissed off.
Yeah, no, we need to know.
But if we go here, like you see how it only says 1 sale that day? This is the Shopify data that you can see this right here. This brings in your Shopify data.
Oh, okay, yeah. Nice.
But like it only has 1 sale from that day, but Facebook says 4.
Oh, because it pulled it in late. Yeah.
It came in late. So it's not that it's tracking more. Instead, these 3 other purchases are probably from, one's from yesterday and the other 2 are from 2 days ago or something, right?
Yeah.
So like it's just been, this is really should be distributed over the correct time period, but it was stacked all into this day because that's when Apple finally pushed through that data.
Yeah. Okay.
So it all just piles up in here. That's why it comes in like sets of 2s and 4s and stuff. And that's why things look like doubles all the time. Do you ever notice that in your account? You get like doubles?
That's why I keep thinking my pixel is messed up because it looks like that sometimes. And I'm like, what? Why is it doing that?
Like we'll hit the accounts and it'll be like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And we're like, there's no way people are buying in sets of 2s.
Yeah. Literally.
It's just literally processing it right as the data is coming through from Apple side, and it puts it all in there at once. It's kind of silly. But that's why we use this, because this does come through real time. So you can just basically say, like, if you're getting a lot of purchases, like each day you're checking, you're seeing them come through, just optimize based off that. And then like when you look at your data over a longer time period, you'll start to see the purchases finally start piling in. And you can just, measure that and based off of what optimizations you made.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Cool.
Perfect.